Hey everyone, Greg DeMarco here and welcome. So, a great question to ask yourself is, how do I drive better outcomes in my career, my life? So, I've been in sales for 39 plus years. Now, I'm a fairly good communicator and connector. I can connect with people. Now, it's something I've learned, and it's taken a long time, but I've learned how to connect with people and to build better relationships. So when I say this, I don't want to turn this video into a big push or pressure tactic for you to see the importance of the value of communicating and connecting. Okay, I don't want to do that. But the reality is simply this. There's a lot of things that can stand in the way of your success in your life and your career. There's tons of them. And we can make all kinds of excuses not to do something and not to invest in our own personal growth. Maybe you think you know all there is to know about relationships, like I did, and this mastermind isn't right for you. And if you think that and you don't want to budge on it, then don't take it. Maybe you don't like masterminds. I didn't even know what masterminds were when I first read about them. Now I'm facilitating tons of them, and I have for the last few years. So I don't know what the reason is or what excuse you might have to take this opportunity. I don't know why you wouldn't. But here's the thing. All I do know is this. Taking this mastermind on Everyone Communicates, Few Connect is a journey that will build the skill set you need to drive better outcomes in your life, period. So here's some of the things you will learn. Better outcomes in your sales results, building long-lasting relationships, converting prospects to paying customers, communicate with clarity. I can go on and on. Increase your influence and impact, learn body language and tonality, collaboration and teamwork, finding common ground, inspiring people, capturing their interest. I can go on and on and on. Listen, Everyone Communicates, Few Connect is for looking to drive better outcomes in your sales career, in your any career that you're in, better outcomes in your style of communication, just building better relationships, okay? To join this group, all you need to do is click the button, okay? Join up, and you'll improve your overall performance. Anyone who wants to improve communications and connecting, okay? That's who this is for. Salespeople, okay? Maybe you're new to sales. People pivoting in their careers. There's lots of people changing careers right now. Entrepreneurs, solopreneurs. The list goes on and on. Listen, I always take the opportunity to do better, and so should you. So click the link to register and change your perspective today. I know you won't regret it. All you have to do is just step outside your comfort zone a little bit, take the chance, invest in yourself because you're worth it. I believe in you. I believe in myself. I'll see you there.